Standing in the Gap team in conjunction with Francis Myles Ministries International presents the Prayer Rally Crusade and Overnight to be held at the Crown of Healing Word International Ministries in Ibex Hill from the 25th to the 26th of May 2023, tagged Rendering the Heavens for National Revival. Don't forget, it's this Thursday, the 25th of May, time from 16 hours till 19 hours, and on Friday, the 26th of May, it's from 17 hours to 20 hours. Henceforth, we continue with an overnight prayer meeting from 20 hours to 06 hours in the morning. Speakers include Apostle Sunday, Pastor Sinyangwe, and Dr. Francis Myles, featuring in music, Minister Temwani, and many more. You can't afford to miss this. Admission is absolutely free. It's not over until God says it's over. It is fire for fire.